Losing your TikTok messages can feel like misplacing a precious diary entry. So let's dive into how you might just be able to recover those missing conversations. First, tap on the profile icon, usually located on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This is where your TikTok world lives. Next, look for the 3 horizontal lines, or sometimes 3 dots, usually in the top right-hand corner. Tap on this menu icon. A panel will slide out, then select Settings and Privacy. Here is where most of account settings is managed. Scroll down until you see Download Your Data, which is found in the Account section, then tap on it. Here, you can request a downloadable archive of your TikTok data. Make sure to select the file format which is readable to you. Requesting data may take a few days. Once you have downloaded the file, you can browse the data to potentially find your deleted messages. Now, it's important to know that TikTok doesn't offer a direct undelete button for messages, but if you have previously backed up your phone data, there's a small chance third-party data recovery tools may recover them. However, this is not guaranteed. While recovering deleted messages directly on TikTok can be tricky, exploring your downloaded data is your best bet. So stay proactive with regular backups. Good luck, and I hope you recover those important conversations.